Hey everybody, it's Bobby here. I just can't believe that it's already Valentine's Day 2024. It's just clicking, clicking, clicking. Today I've got a really great recipe for you that's super simple, and it's going to end up being sort of just a snacky hand to mouth type thing, which is one of my favorites because it's got salty and sweet, which I love. And this is a great creation for your Valentine. So if you want to steal somebody's heart, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. And we're going to start with the salty stuff and the savory, okay? So we're going to use some rice cereal, and we're also going to use some honey graham cereal and some almonds. And this will be super quick, and we're going to take a short break real fast because the next step involves the microwave. Okay, so we're just going to toss together our almonds with our two cereals, and that's it. Now we're going to take some white chocolate. Ooh la la, I do love it. And we're going to go to the microwave. We're going to microwave this on high in 30-second intervals until it's completely fluid, okay? And we're not going to film that. So 30-second intervals, give it a stir, make sure it's good to go until it's completely creamy. So we'll take a quick break and see you back in just a minute. Hey everybody. All right, so I've melted my white chocolate. It's nice and creamy. We did it on 30-second intervals, and I think it took like 3 to get it done. So now what I'm going to do is pour my melted white chocolate into my cereal mixture. I think you're already beginning to pick up what I'm putting down, right? You see it. And you can also see to my left here, I've got a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. So we are going to get all of this married together. And I'm going to stir it up real well. And then we're going to pour it onto our baking sheet, and we're going to cool it in the refrigerator until it becomes nice and brittle. Man, that white chocolate, woof! I could clean this bowl with my tongue. I don't have a real sweet tooth, but there's some things that I really like. And white chocolate's one of them. And we're going to get to another thing that I really like in just a few minutes. So, let's see. I don't want Mama to come in here and start whipping my legs. So I'm going to make sure that I get all of this chocolate out of here. Waste not, won't not. I can hear her saying it right now. All kinds of other things too. I can hear her saying all kinds of stuff. Okay, good enough for now. So I'm going to mix this all together. I'm going to fold it all together because these cereals are already brittle, and I don't want it to end up crumbs. I want to keep them intact. Just coat them in that white chocolate. This already looks good, but it's going to get better. Okay, so that's very well coated. Now we're going to spread it out onto our lined pan here. Voila, step 3. And now into the fridge for cooling. So we'll take another break. I'll see you back here in just a few minutes. Whoosh. So our Valentine's Day mix has cooled in the refrigerator, and it looks great. I'm just going to break it up with my hands, and then I'm going to add in our 3 last ingredients, which will be marshmallows, little chocolate candy gems that do have a brand name I'm not going to use, but I could eat all of those easily. And these are yogurt-covered raisins, all things that I do enjoy in moderation from time to time, just like you. All right, so our look at this. I said it's cooled. Almost could, yeah. Look, well, not quite. Didn't quite make it. Yeah, there we go. Look, kind of one piece. So I'm just going to break it up with my hands. Ooh, this is going to be so good. Got to be careful with this. How much of it could I eat? You ask? How much could you eat, Teresa? Ed?
The other day we made 6 ravioli, so we wouldn't eat so much.
I know. Look at it. Good point, Eddie.
Who's making these videos?
Who's coming up with these recipes?
Teresa.
Mm-hmm.
With help.
Yeah, choosing the recipes. So this is going to be super great. It's cold to the touch. Mm-hmm. Easiest pie to make this. You maybe put this into little baggies and tie a bow on it and send them to your school for your kids' teachers. And you'll definitely have some fans. Might see the grades improve a little bit. Oh yeah, they did very, very well this year. Great. Okay, so we've got some nice chunks in there. And to that, we'll add the yogurt-covered raisins, the little candy gems. Oh boy. Now, if you don't like marshmallows when you get to this point, you could just leave them out, but I think that they'll really add. And marshmallows. Oh boy, look at that. What a wonderful, wonderful Valentine's Day mix. And it was so easy to make. I think that'll be easy for you to make, and I hope that you will. So happy Valentine's Day, and until next time, see you then. Y'all ready?
Oh, yeah.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.